Hey guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing of the DJI Osmo. It's a new gadget in my collection. I've been testing this device for a while through a loaner program, but today I purchased my own through Amazon. I'll link the description below on where to get it if you want to purchase it online on Amazon. But for now, let's do an unboxing. So the Osmo comes with this plastic wrapping in the box, and I'm just gonna remove the plastic wrapping. So when you remove the plastic wrapping, this is how it looks like, and this is the side, and it comes with DJI and then DJI.com. This is what the Osmo looks like. So first, here inside the box, you got this little silicone gel that is in it, and then a little foam. There's a little tiny foam, looks like a makeup applicator or something, but this is like a little tiny foam. And then inside this box, you can see there is our Osmo, and here is the Osmo. It comes with a little wrapping plastic in here. So if you remove the plastic, here's our gadget right here. Super tiny. This reminds me of those old cellular phone, you know, like the one that your parents did. My dad has like a big Motorola back in the day. But this is how it looks like. This is the case, and the case is so cute. I think this will fit on my smallest purse, and it will not be a problem carrying a bulky camera. And then the case is right here. It has this little slip, a rubber stopper that stops the camera slip. So that's how it looks like. I feel like this rubber will be worn out if I'm using it so much. And then you have a good handy grip right here. And there's your little Osmo. So cute, so tiny. So this is how it looks like. The battery comes with it already, as you can see right here. And the camera is right there, and that's how it looks like. And it has this little tab right here that you pull out, so it protects the camera. This thing, since it's a built-in gimbal, so that's probably why this rubber stopper is in here. So if I remove the rubber stopper, so that's the rubber stopper. And here's your camera. It gimbals like how drones are. So if you have a drone, you know what I'm talking about. It moves the way how drone moves. And this is just a small version basically of the camera in your drone. And it has a little instruction in here. That is in Chinese and Mandarin, and then in English. 2 buttons to record and to stop right here, and then there's a little opening right here. So this is where you put the little cover right here, and then you put the cover back. So that's that comes with the case. So let me put back this inside. So what else inside the box? So there's the box right there. It's pretty tiny, so it's not such a fancy box in here. So let's see what else is in here. I'm just gonna pull it out. So when you pull it out, this is what inside, and there's another small box in a box, and then the box is this one right here. Let's open it up. It looks like it's just a case for your USB. The USB-C looks like a GoPro or GoPro's USB, and then you got this little holder that is in this box, and then you got more little extensions for your cable. Then when you open the other plastic right here, and this is like a USB-C charger, so it depends on what you want to use or what's convenient to you. You have options on charging your Osmo, and this is how they look like. Super tiny. It's It's so tiny. I don't even know how to explain how tiny this is. So that's that. Here's another thing inside the box. This is a manual. I don't know, it's getting washed out because it's white. And then the last one is more manuals. So that's all it is in the box. So there you have it. Everything in the box is in my hands, and this thing is so tiny. I cannot wait to film videos in this little guy. And this is the Osmo from DJI, baby little gimbal, and I'll film on my next videos will be film in the Osmo. This will be a great test. I'm going to a concert pretty soon, and I want to film and sneak a little camera that is so powerful that will capture the concert. So I'll see you guys in my next video on how the Osmo filming in a vlog situation. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.